Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this amazing presentation that you're about to witness. Let me tell you right off the bat, you couldn't have been at a better place at a better time than right here, right now, as you're about to witness history, an app nobody has ever seen or released before. You're going to see it all. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you can hear my voice loud and clear. Let me know if you can see the screen. The sooner you do that, the faster we can get started having a whole lot of fun, seeing something extremely innovative, and most importantly, making you tons of money. Now, that's exactly what's going to happen with what I'm about to show you here today. But first, I need to know if you can hear me. I need to know if you can see the screen. The sooner you do that, this is live, the faster we can get started. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the chat box. I see Antiques in the house. Good morning. Daniel's here. Edward is here. Carlos is here. David is here. Michael, Maria, Tim. There we go. Tony in the house. Enrique's here. Shmar's here. I love it. Keto, Johnny, Neil. Amazing, lovely people. More money. Giddy up. Awesome. You guys are freaking fantastic. Without further ado, this is live, so keep using and abusing that chat box. We have our chat team, the development team. Everyone is here. We're about to have an amazing demo as well. And overall, it's going to be a training session, right? So expect to be on here for what, maybe 30, 40, 60 minutes. Don't go ahead and rush me. I'll go ahead and stay away from any tangents. I'll keep it no fluff and absolutely valuable to you, because at the end of this webinar today, you'll be a better entrepreneur than before you got on. So without further ado, let's dive right in. And that's even an understatement, hyper intelligent AI creates hyper profitable SaaS for complete beginners. Even if you've never coded anything before, you have no clue how to create software applications, this will allow you, and I'm going to show you exactly how, to get paying clients overnight, even if you have absolutely zero experience. Now, in order to start this and let you know what we're specifically going to talk about, I want you to understand that AI, if you haven't noticed by now, is the fastest growing market in 2024 and beyond. There's no doubt about it. It's only getting crazier and bigger and better. And therefore, it is safe to conclude that the fastest way right now to build a wildly profitable business in 2024 and beyond is by leveraging AI. If you're not making money by leveraging AI, you're leaving tons of money on the table. And therefore, the webinar you're about to see right here isn't just information, right? If you've been to any webinars of me before, I'm not just here to overload you with info. I want to transform the way you do business. And that's exactly what the webinar you're about to watch is going to be. It's going to be complete transformation moving forward. I'll actually prove it to you. Let me ask you a question. I want all of you to answer this, and make sure you answer, because we only want to have active participants in here. If we see you're super inactive, you might get kicked out and then somebody else takes your place, because we have a whole lot of people in the waiting group. So with that being said, who do you think makes the most money online? Is it A, people selling low ticket information products that quite frankly can be found on YouTube, or nowadays you can just go to ChatGPT and ask anything yourself if you want to know it? Or people selling unique and valuable software apps that impact businesses? Now, it's a little bit of a rhetorical question, because we all know it is software. I see B. There we go. Deals in the house. Good to have you here. John from UK. Derek, I love it. Software apps, absolute freaking B, obviously B, right? Awesome. So I know it's a little bit of a rhetorical question, but it's important for you to understand this, because software apps are undoubtedly the most lucrative products online. I mean, you can make money with info products. I'm not going to completely bash and disregard that. It is possible, but it's competitive because the barrier of entry is very low. Anyone can write up some info, put it in a course area, and you're done. Building a unique app is a whole different ballgame. The barrier of entry is a lot higher, hence there's a whole lot more money to be made. And you're living proof. You probably bought a lot of softwares yourself. And therefore, if you take action today, you will have a brand new technology, splinter new, that makes it so ridiculously easy to make money with. I kid you not. And here's why it's perfect for you. Number one, all the work has been done for you. Number two, you don't need any traffic or list to begin with. And number three, you don't even need any tech skills. That's how crazy powerful this is. And the best part is you don't need to be experienced. It works for a newbie. You get clients. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You won't have to struggle to get clients because you'll be able to create such high valuable apps that people come flocking to you with the least amount of effort. And then last but not least, you do not have to sit around and wait for results to happen. So with that being said, now that you know what we're going to talk about, if you like this, if you're here in it to win it, comment yes if you're staying until the end. All you have to do, even if you haven't said a darn word so far, run to the chat box, comment YES, press enter, and then you'll be eligible for an attendance bonus package just for staying until the end. If everything I've shared up until now is, well, I'm not sure if I want this, I'm not sure if this is what I'm here for, then feel free to leave no hard feelings. We just had a little bit of an intro, a little bit of a chit chat to let you know what we're going to talk about specifically, so you know if this is going to be worth your while. And if it is, comment yes, and you're going to get an amazing attendance bonus package. Lots of yeses dropping. Dennis, John, Hughes, James, Edward, Sean, Scott, Freddie. You think I want to miss this? I love it. Yes, please. Yes, I'm staying. Amazing. So I'm here on behalf of the man, the myth, the legends, engineer Atul Parikh, and Dr. Amit Parikh. I mean, these guys are some of the most brilliant and smartest people I've ever gotten to meet. I mean, do you know how long I have to study to become an engineer or a doctor? Either way, they're also absolute software moguls, and they know not only how to create amazing software, transform a lot of businesses, make a lot of money, but they have done a third party where somebody comes in and checks how satisfied are the people with what you create, and they have a whooping 94% customer satisfaction score, which is absolutely insane in this particular industry. It's really easy to piss people off for the slightest reason. So hands down, they are absolute powerhouses in making sure people make a whole lot of money and get amazing results. So with that being said, let's get into the 3 secrets that we'll be covering. Number 1 is the 10K per month model. I'm going to walk you through exactly the most very realistic scenario of a brand new way to leverage AI and generate over $10,000 in sales without needing to be an expert in anything. Number 2, daily buyers, right? Now that you have the AI, let's go ahead and get some clients. How to get paid every single day without having to cold spam people, be annoying, just chase people down, or beg for people to become a client. We're going to use a method called show and tell. Really powerful. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can land your first clients with ease just doing that. And then last but not least, instant results. How to claim exclusive access to the most powerful AI known to mankind right now that grows you to 10K per month starting today. So with that being said, let's dive right in. It's no big secret that the new wave of success stories will be ruled by AI agencies. The only problem is, and this is where I want to get real with everyone here for a second, what I see in the industry is a lot of people get a lot of cool AI stuff, or they use AI in general, but for some reason, they're still not seeing the results that they would hope. And here's why. AI has been so rapidly evolving and developing that everybody's using AI to sell the same offer. It's either copywriting services, it's either content and media, it's either chatbots. It's usually one of these 3 in general, right? Now, these standard services, unfortunately, by now have mass competition. They still work. You can still make money with them, right? Not going to disregard that, but it's a whole lot harder because anyone that can prompt a little bit is your competition. And therefore, it's hard to lead with commodity, right? And this is the reason most people never see results. They go and make a plan and then go to the marketplace, they sell a commodity, the marketplace rejects them, they go buy new software and they have a new business. And that just goes on and on and on. And that's really, really hard. Now, the 5-figure clients that can actually afford you, right, business owners, love to invest in solutions. That's not the problem. But most of the time, they simply already have this in place. Now, that doesn't mean they do not need it or need to improve upon it, but you need a more innovative foot in the door that actually then further on upsell them or sell them, hey, I can also do your copy, I can also do your creatives, I can also do your chatbots. But they need a fresher foot in the door. Now, how do you stand out from competition when you're a beginner looking to skill? When nobody knows you, nobody cares about you, and nobody wants to buy from you, what can you do to be highly attractive in the marketplace? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is by having your own unique software application. In the last few months and years, people have been building micro SaaS, absolutely unknown people, even young people, right? 16, 17, 18 years old, building a little application that is so unique that it takes the market by storm. This is the fastest way to build your list, fastest way to make money, because you immediately eliminate tons of competition. Now, you can see people making 30K a month, 90K a month, 12K a month. You see right here, this person is charging close to $2,000, has over 118 people. You do the math, right? Building your own unique software application is something nobody can challenge you on. So therefore, being able to do this is extremely profitable. We, you know, for a fact, for those of you that have been following us, sell and build software all the time. So we're living proof. But you're living proof as well, because you buy software, I assume, a lot of times as well. So you know for a fact that that's where a lot of money resides. If you're able to build innovative and unique solutions for your business, for yourself, or for clients. So you might be wondering, well, why is not everyone doing this then? If this is such big and easy money, then why is not everyone doing this? Well, you might imagine that there's lots of time and money wasted or involved on trying to build an app or a software application. I'm not going to bore you with the details, but in short, product creation, then you have things like coding and user interface, then you have things like copywriting, VSL, emails and marketing, building a website. On top of that, the content creation for all of it. On top of that, we have the graphic and design. On top of that, you have tons of hosting fees. If that's not enough, ongoing feature development, followed up by a sales page that also needs to sell the entire thing, let alone the email sequences and the marketing around it, right? So long story short, there's so much to learn and do to actually build a proper software application. I'm not even just talking about the coding of it, but everything around it. But there's a big but. Even though this is a never-ending cycle, Dr. Amit Parikh, engineer Tool Parikh, sat down and said, we're going to change this entire game forever so that people can come in, build any software application they want that is actually going to benefit either their own business or a business for a client, giving them the ultimate foot in the door, as well as allowing them to use it for any other use case that they want. So they've actually spent a whole year developing an AI that is bound to turn anyone into a 10K per month software owner. So let me ask you a question. I'm about to show you a demo of this. It's going to be super powerful. But first, I want to know, now that you've heard this and you've got the kind of time to digest and realize this for yourself, imagine you have access to the newest technology in AI that creates successful software sellers instantly. Not just the app, it creates the ads, it creates the emails, it creates the course around it, the marketing around it, the video around it. It creates everything. Do you see yourself, knowing how lucrative the software market is in today for business? For any business, the software market is just booming. Do you see yourself making tons of more money if you had backdoor access to this space, which normally has such a high barrier of entry? Let me know if in the chat box. And for those of you that say yes, I'm going to show you something extremely powerful, what you're here for today. So I want you to pay very close attention. I see lots of yeses coming in. Absolutely. This is exactly what GPT Apps does. So this is what GPT Apps will do for your business. See it as the chat GPT of software applications. You talk to it, you say, hey, I want to build this. It builds that. It's insane. So all you have to do to cue the demo for yourself, go to your chat box or wherever you type and press enter and comment GPT Apps, and the demo will soon after start playing. So with that being said, let's see who we have in the house. I see Enrique, I see Glenn, Sean, Andrew, Daniel, Tanika, Luca, Rashad, Tommy, Scott, Daniel, Troy, Michael, David. There we go. Cabello, James, Mike, Kadir's here, Maria, Shuana, Tim. I love it. I love it. Love it. Antique. There we go. Without further ado, let's have a closer look, ladies and gentlemen. And then right after the demo, I want to hear how amazingly powerful you found it to be. So here we go.
Hello and welcome. In this demo, I'll be showing you how GPT Apps Engine create 100% white label generative AI apps in 60 seconds without writing a single line of code or hiring anyone. With the help of GPT Apps Engine, you can sell AI apps to marketers, creators, local business owners and charge thousands of dollars a pop. All you have to do is choose an app from 225 plus done for you software app templates, and GPT Apps Engine will do the rest for you by personalize every detail, prompts, style, tone, deploy anywhere, serve clients, run a profitable AI agency with 100% white labeled license. Now, let's jump in. This is the GPT Apps Engine dashboard. Here, you'll find total apps you have created, leads generated, watch demo video. You can mark your favorite super apps for quick access and even view on live from the dashboard. We've also added some quick links for easy navigation. At the top left, you'll find the workspace section where you can see all your workspaces or add a new one. And on the bottom right, there's the language option, letting you switch the app to your preferred language. Alright, let's create a new app for you. You have two options. Create an app from 225 done-for-you templates, or start from scratch. Let's go with a template. You'll find 225 templates across 16 categories, designed to cover the top niches and business needs. These templates are pre-built by our intelligent engine to save you time and effort. Let's take a quick look at the categories. Alright, I'll select the email category and create a product launch announcement app. Here's how it works. Update the profile details or keep them as they are. Answer category-specific questions tailored to your chosen template. You can edit the questions, adjust response types, mark them as required or optional, add new ones, or remove any. Next, customize your app's appearance style. Once everything is set, choose the final action you want for your app. Display the app-generated response, redirect users to a specific link, or show a thank you message. Finally, hit the launch button and your app is ready. Now, you might be wondering, how will my app look? We're now on the app listing page. Here, you'll notice 3 dots next to each app. Clicking on these gives you several options. Edit the app. Copy the embed code. Duplicate the app. Add it to a super app. Or even move it to another workspace. Let's move ahead and create a super app. Click on Create New Super App. Customize the super app's profile details. Update the footer branding and policy pages. Select one or more apps to include in your super app. Once that's done, hit the Launch Super App button. Your super app is now ready to deploy. Click here to preview it and see how it looks in action. Here are your super apps. You can start delivering services to coaches, creators, marketers, agencies, consultants, local business and make yourself an AI apps expert without writing a single line of code and charge any amount you want. Offer customized AI tools for industries like healthcare, education, e-commerce, and leverage AI to solve real-world problems without any technical skills. You can buy creating and selling unlimited, white-label generative AI super apps under your own brand. Tap into high-demand markets like lead generation, content creation, and generate recurring revenue without coding, hosting, or development hassle. Scale fast and profit big. Sell niche-specific super apps to local businesses. Now, let's move to the Copilot section. Here's how you can create and customize your Copilot step by step. Start with the basics. Click on the Create Trained Copilot button. Update the Copilot profile to match your business needs. Add a profile image, give your Copilot a name, and write a brief description about its purpose. Customize placeholder text, notice messages, and select the language for the Copilot. Adjust its appearance settings, including the theme and color scheme, to align with your brand. Q&A section. Set up a welcome message that will greet users at the start of a conversation. Add a thank you message to display after the conversation ends. Update the FAQ section to provide instant answers to common questions. This feature is unique and versatile. You can use it for your business or offer FAQ creation as a service to your clients. Training your Copilot. Train your Copilot using multiple URLs and PDF files simultaneously. Simply enter the URLs of the content or upload PDF files to teach your Copilot everything it needs to know. Lead integration. Integrate your favorite autoresponder to collect leads directly. Alternatively, collect leads without integrations. Let's select the autoresponder and the list where you want the leads to be stored. Feedback and lead forms. Add a feedback form that will appear after a set time once the conversation ends. Customize the lead form to make it mandatory or optional. Deployment. Once everything is set, your Copilot is fly. Copy the embed code and deploy it anywhere on websites, inside members' areas, or even within your own products. Congratulations! Your Copilot is now your 24/7 personal AI employee, armed with your custom knowledge to serve users efficiently. And don't worry, you can revisit and customize its settings anytime to fine-tune its performance. This is your chance to make money, build authority in your niche, establish your brand, gain fame and recognition, and ultimately, create your legacy. Let's explore the leads section. Here, you can view all the leads generated through your Copilot. Manage these leads effortlessly. Export them whenever you need for follow-ups or campaigns. Next up is the app response section. In this section, you can check all the responses generated by your apps. Use this data to identify what your customers are searching for. Easily pinpoint your target audience. Now, let's move to visitor feedback. In this section, you can check out all the feedback generated through your Copilot. Review the ratings provided by your users to understand their experience. Use this information to calculate lead scores, helping you identify high-potential leads. Leverage this data for your promotional campaigns. It's even more powerful than smart tagging. Now, let's move to settings. Here, you can manage your workspace, clients, team, white labeling, subscriptions, integrations, watch tutorials, and contact support. Let's dive deeper into two key features, Manage Clients and White Label. Manage Clients, adding new clients is a breeze. Just enter the client's name and email, hit the button, and their login details are sent directly to their inbox. Need to update or remove a client? Simply click Edit or Delete. Effortlessly grow your business network with our easy client management system. White label, custom branding is essential for building authority. That's why we let you replace the GPT Apps Engine dashboard logo with your own, plus customize the Copilot footer branding. You can also add a link to the footer logo, redirecting leads to any page or offer you choose. Simply upload your logo in the recommended dimensions, hit save, and watch your branding come to life. Present GPT Apps Engine, your very own product. You can even create client accounts with their unique branding, giving you complete control. I hope you're as excited about GPT Apps Engine as I am. This demo only scratches the surface of what's possible. With endless creative potential and a seamless user experience, the future of AI apps is here. See you inside the members area, where innovation meets imagination.
See you inside the members area where innovation meets imagination. Ladies and gentlemen, who here saw the absolute power and absolutely love what this can do? And who here wants access to GPT apps to create any app, add anyone to any app, give them access to it, be able to sell, have hundreds of done-for-you apps already created by us. Plus, you can tell the GPT app to create anything for you, white label the whole 9 yards as your own software empire in this special Cyber Week access. We're going to do something crazy just because we're just past Cyber Monday. We're here in the Cyber Week. So let me know in the chat box, first and foremost, who here absolutely loves the power of what they just saw. I have never seen anyone literally be able to create an app just like that by saying, hey, I want to create a course builder software. Boom, here's my logo, here's what it needs to look like, here's what it needs to be capable of, and you're off to the races. And I can go and reach out to any coach and say, hey, I notice you're paying over $300 a month for Kajabi. I can actually build your own in-house course building software. Let me go ahead and give you access to this. There you go. See, awesome. I want it. Love it, love it, love it. Amazing. I see Mike saying, why can't I access the chat area? Well, Mike, the fact that I read that means you can. Awesome. That's it for secret number 1. As you can tell, I'm going fast forward because I want you to get access to this ASAP so you can get started, because this is money waiting for you to be picked up when you have this power. Knowing I've launched softwares, I've made over 60K in just a month with one single software, and it's all by being able to actually create it, have all the emails for it, have the swipes for it, the sequences for it. It's not rocket science. So with that being said, let's go ahead to secret number 2, daily buyers. Because yes, you can use this to build anything for yourself, which is fun. I mean, you're not relying anymore on all these other apps that you need to buy or all these other softwares. You can now, you're literally autonomous. You can do anything you want. So you can use GPT apps for yourself, but you can also use it for clients. There's so many coaches that are paying through the nose for apps that you can now build and provide them with. affiliate marketers, agencies and service providers, bloggers, small businesses, influencers, e-commerce and niche sites, course vendors, you name it. You can create a software for them specifically. Better yet, in your account, you'll probably already have access to some of our top done for you apps that you can immediately have them witness with their own eyes and get paid handsomely for it. Now, speaking of which, let me tell you a little secret. Getting clients with GPT apps has become the most easiest part of all, because you're no longer a commodity. You're no longer the millionth person sending a message saying, hey, I can write your copy, I can create your logo, I can design your website. I mean, these are now things you can upsell after you had an amazing foot in the door with something unique. Now, what am I talking about? Long gone are the days of complicated, time and budget consuming marketing methods to find these clients. It's actually super simple. Let me walk you through it. I call this the guaranteed $1,500 per month client template, because this is the price point where we've seen there's absolutely no buyer's resistance at all. You can charge a little bit higher, you can also charge less, but 1,500 is a sweet spot where nobody really will say, hey, you know what, that's too much. It's a very fair price point. So you say, hey, business name, I saw you were doing, they're either producing content on YouTube, they're either sending emails, which pretty much all businesses do, they're either running ads, you can see that in the ads library, they're either publishing content on their social media. You saw they were doing something. And the fact that they're doing something means that they're trying to grow and they're trying to reach an audience and they're trying to grow their business, which is a green flag for us to know, hey, we can step in and help them with anything they need. So I assumed you're looking to attract and convert more people on your website, which is overall the main goal of the business that you're reaching out to. And that's where you say, hey, I actually happen to specialize in this field using custom built software applications. I went ahead and built something for you that you can try to get more results with. Now, see how this already becomes extremely irresistible. You say, hey, I actually built something for you. I don't want you to go ahead and try it. I think you're doing a lot of content, you're writing a lot of emails. I built your own custom email writer in-house for your business. Go ahead and try it out. And if you don't want it, you won't have to pay a dime. There is zero resistance, an absolute no-brainer, and extremely unreasonable for them not to take you up on this offer. And that's why businesses will fall in love with you. In this three-step model, you have a 10K per month software app agency. I've done this over and over again. I took beginners by the hand, walked them through this. I've done it for myself across different agencies, and it works like a charm every single time. I create a hyper custom GPT app. I deploy a 1 week free trial. Just tell them, hey, just give me your email. I'm going to create you an account. You can go ahead, use it and abuse it as much as you want. And after a week, I turn over, hey, are you loving the software? And they're like, it's fantastic. I love it. I can cancel my subscription with this. I can finally cancel my subscription with that. Sweet. Hey, if you want me to do this for you and do all of the other things for you, or get access to 20 more apps, you can create the offer however you want. Here's the price point. Ladies and gentlemen, even if you don't want to work with clients, you can use this to sell tons of affiliate offers. You can pick any offer and watch evergreen affiliate sales come in, because you can now create unique bonuses alongside the affiliate offer. Everyone knows when tons of people are selling the same offer, it becomes bonus shopping. Who has the best bonus? If I can buy it from you and buy it from someone else, do you have something unique to offer me alongside that same product, since the price is the same? Now, because you have GPT apps, you can create the most irresistible lead magnets and bonuses or paid offers for anyone and yourself. So let me ask you this. Do you see how having a hyper intelligent done for you software app builder making you at least, let's be conservative here, at the very least, if you take this serious, 300 to 500 a day with ease? Let me know in the chat box. Can you see, in a day and age today where making money online is happening by kids? I've seen 14-year-olds making thousands of dollars a month. With something like this, where you're completely out of any competition and you're creating your own blue ocean, do you see how at the bare minimum, you should be able to make at least 300 to 500 a day? And if you don't think you can, we actually have hand-holding training on the inside to make sure you do. Let me know in the chat box. I see yeses, totally, absolutely. I mean, come on, you can build custom software for anyone and put a price tag on it. How valuable is that? So I see lots of yeses coming in. Jim, James, April, Antique, Mike, AGPT apps, Edward, Mike, bonuses, an ocean of bonuses. There we go. I see Delphine, Tanika, David, Heron, Enrique, Juan, William. I love it. Edward's in the house. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for secret number 2. I just want you to know that once you have this power, like I said, you can create blue ocean. And creating a blue ocean is where the real money is. That's what people are always trying to figure out. How can I create a blue ocean for myself so I'm not the same like everyone else? So I can have my own pool and I decide my prices. I decide the irresistibility of my offers. I'm no longer dependent on the market. I can create what the market wants. So with that being said, who wants to know everything you're getting today as part of the special Cyber Week deal? There was no better thing you could do right now than attend this webinar, because only on this webinar we're going to do a Cyber Week special instead of the regular webinar special. So let me know, comment this in the chat box if you want to know the Cyber Week special firsthand, and then you can immediately grab this and get access and get started building the most unique and insanely powerful apps to not only supplement your own business, but any other person's business, and get handsomely paid for it. Plus, we give you hand-holding training on the inside to make sure you make money. So I see lots of yeses. I do. What is it? Show me the link. What's the mega special? Awesome. I want to know more. I own English schools. Wow, Daniel, this is definitely going to be useful for you. Yes, this Cyber Week deal. I want to know my client. All right. So let me walk you through this. I'm going to go fast forward here. You're going to get access first and foremost to your GPT Apps premium account plus commercial license right off the bat with a total value of $6,997. Now, what's included in that? Number one, you'll be able to create hundreds of apps from done-for-you templates to meet all of your marketing needs. So you'll literally be self-sufficient, right? Think of it like you can grow your own food, create your own water supply. You're going to be self-sufficient, which is a privilege that is out of this world. Number two, you'll be able to create a super apps and start providing services to other people. So you can create custom apps, not just use the done-for-you ones, but custom apps for other people. On top of that, a customized co-pilot, as you've seen in the demo as well. You can embed this co-pilot on any website, any funnel, any page. So the app you build, you can also embed it on a website so people can use it live, test it live, see it live, which is extremely powerful using the method we call show and tell. Now, on top of that, we obviously ensure maximum security, 128-bit SSL encryption. Now, you don't have to be techie to know what that is, but just understand it's fully secured, which is extremely important. Now, everything is hosted on our lightning fast server, because if you would have to host all of this, you would be paying through the nose. So there's no need for expensive domains or hosting. You can manage different workspaces. So if you work with different people or you own different businesses, you have a workspace for your apps for each business. Streamlined organization, natural language processing capabilities. You can generate human-like and even better interactions. Intent recognition allows co-pilots to provide relevant and personalized responses. So when you're getting an output from the AI, it's not going to be this vague, generic, overall thing where you're like, well, I can come up with that myself, but it's going to be very specific and dedicated to exactly what you need. On top of that, contextual understanding enables more meaningful and coherent interactions with users. Now, I don't think a lot of people understand the impact and power of this, because even though, for example, ChatGPT is powerful, if you've ever used it, you might have realized that it always sounds so salesy, so generic, so standard, to the point that it loses all sense of emotion and power, and it does not come across as authentic. Now, contextual understanding is what makes the difference here, and that's exactly what you'll be able to generate. Very powerful human-like responses, and it took a while to train it that way. Now, customized apps to suit your specific needs and industry, customized apps and co-pilot response and tone, so you can design it from top to bottom in terms of how you want it to look. Customized co-pilot by changing the name, the image, the color, the background, the theme, as well as regenerate any task according to the tone and language. So if you're not satisfied with a certain output, you click the regenerate button and boom, there you go. Dynamic Copilot generates unique responses each time for any task. So if it's not going to give you the same response over and over again, it creates new responses over and over again. Higher customer satisfaction with responses that will actually drive results, which at the end of the day is the most important thing, driving results. access the apps and Copilot in top languages. So if you're in a foreign country, or any country for that matter, no country is foreign, you can still access it 100% and then use it in different languages. The frequently asked questions set up for the Copilot. So obviously, if a person has questions, they don't have to bother you each time. The software will develop FAQ so people can go through that on their own. User-friendly Business Central dashboard, like you saw in the demo as well. Everything's at your fingertips. It looks, if you can zoom in here, super clean, very straightforward. You can see the edit button. You want to delete the app, do whatever you want. It's super easy to manage. Now, few complete analytics on your dashboard so you can see how many people are using the app, who has access to it, who has paid. You have that oversight, and on top of that, it's 100% mobile optimized. Where we live in a digital world, everyone is always on their mobile phone when they're outside. You still want to be able to use these apps on the go, and the app automatically turns itself into a mobile-friendly version so you can reach more audiences and use it on any device. Extremely powerful. Now, who here likes everything that they're getting so far? And if you have any questions, by the way, if you have any questions, we have our live chat here. So we have our tech team is in the chat box as well. You can ask anything. They're absolute tech wizards. They can answer you accurately, provide everything you need to know. But who here loves everything they're seeing? I see Shantan, I see Tim, I see Shamar, Cabello, Dave, Glenn, Delphine, Johnny, Scott, James, Nate, Pablo, Tommy, Sean, Michael, William, David, Daniel, Scott. I love it. I love it. Amazing, amazing. Amazeball, says Maria. Amazing. Enrique, David, Edward. Awesome. So, Gregory, it's a software application. It builds a software application done for you, right? Something that normally costs a lot of experience, a lot of tech, a lot of money, if you don't know. Awesome. Me like is a song. So with that being said, I'm going to be upfront with you, right? You can imagine from the value that you're getting here, you shouldn't be surprised if we put a price tag on this of $297, right? That's still a steal if you ask me, at the bare minimum. However, because you're on this webinar, who wants to dominate online and get $200 off just because you're on this webinar? Let me know in the chat box who wants to steal this with it $200 off, meaning it goes down to less than $100, which gives you immediately the power to create anything and everything. And all it took was $97 and you're off to the races. Who here would love that steal? No recurring, no monthly fees, just on this webinar. Anyone outside this webinar will have to pay monthly because we have hosting fees ourselves and we want to maintain this long term. So obviously we have recurring fees for other people, but you guys, the smart ones that show up live, and hence we encourage you to always show up when we announce a webinar, you're going to get the biggest bang for your buck. So it's awesome, sounds sweet, sounds sweet. I love it. This is a bonus, this is steal. All right, here's what we're going to do. This is the webinar special, right? So $97 is when we do a webinar special, and that's why we encourage you to show up to the webinar. But today is not just a webinar special. Today is Cyber Week. And for Cyber Week, we have an additional special. So for the first 100 accounts, and I will say we're with quite a few more than 100 in here, there will be no monthly fees plus a major discount. Now, to make sure we're only giving this to the people that are here, that show up, that are live, that are interactive, that are engaging, that truly want to succeed, comment cyber in the chat. Comment the word cyber in the chat to unlock the most ridiculous and insane discount on planet Earth for what you're about to get access to. Let me know in the chat box. See cyber, cyber, cyber. Yeah, one-time payment. One time. I know it's crazy. Ed, Chris, April, William, Tommy, Real, Barry, Sean, Frank, Scott, Glenn, Carl, Bob, Quan, Dennis, the whole lot's here. I see you guys, Shawana, Keen, Jose, Pablo, Joe, Kadir. Awesome. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Ted, I see you. Neil, I see you. Victor, Troy, Dr. Michael. Since you all commented cyber, we're going to drop it down to $32. We're going to drop it down for the Cyber Week special to $32, which is ridiculous if you ask me. The power of what you're about to get access to, it should be illegal to charge $32 for this. It is insane. But that's when you show up live, you're interactive, you're dedicated, and it happens to be Cyber Week. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Cyber, redonkulous, says Cabello. I love it. I love it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So here's the thing. Here's what we're gonna do. I see a lot of people asking, are there upgrades? Are there OTOs? Are there upsells? We wouldn't be marketers, smart business people, and entrepreneurs if we didn't have some additional specials, which are completely optional, right? I will tell you, do not leave this webinar without at least getting this, because you'll never be able to get this again at only 32 bucks one time. So at the very least, make 120% sure that you at least get your GPT apps premium account for 32 bucks. 100% you should do that. Now, to answer the question, are there any upsells? Let me ask you a question back. Who wants an even bigger discount to add 10 times faster results with GPT apps today? Who wants an even bigger discount? If you thought what you just saw was an insane discount, who wants an even bigger discount where we're going to supercharge your account to get 10x faster results with things like traffic? Let's see. You see lots of yeses, supercharge me. There we go. So here's what we're going to do. Actually, I'm going to put this on the screen here. Give me 1 second. I'm going to walk you through what you're going to get. Now, again, I do want to say it's optional to get this, but it will be in your best interest. Plus, you're having that benefit of it being Cyber Week, so you're going to get the biggest bang for your buck. So here's what we're going to do. First of all, you'll be able to get upgraded to GPT Unlimited. So what does that mean? You'll be able, so let me actually go ahead to, oh, that's the wrong one. Let me go ahead and make sure you have the right one. Give it 1 second, guys. And this only proves that is alive. So let's see here. We got the Cyber Week special because I didn't pull up the right Cyber Week special. That was just the webinar special. And as you know, we have a special one just for the people that are here on this webinar. So give me 1 second until I get the right one. There we go. All right, I'm going to put it on the screen. So let's see here. Cyber Week. Yep, that's the one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to reintroduce the special that you're about to get just for being on this webinar here. What you're going to get access to is right off the bat, GPT Apps Engine, the Fast Pass deal, which puts you on the GPT Apps Elite. Now, normally you would have to pay an additional 97 bucks for this, but right now you won't. What you're going to get access to is unlimited workspaces. So with the normal account, you only have a finite amount of workspaces, I believe 10. Now you have unlimited. So you can create unlimited separate businesses, work with unlimited businesses, unlimited projects. Unlimited embedding of co-pilots, unlimited apps that you can create, unlimited super apps. You can activate GPT apps in 125 more niches, activate GPT apps in 50 more languages, so you can create apps in more languages and dominate globally, also for your clients who may be working with different languages. Create and display super apps on any web page. Instantly share super apps to top social media platforms from within the builder. Move or copy apps, which is one of my favorite features. You can just duplicate apps, move them between folders and between workspaces, so I don't have to recreate it in another workspace. Choose from predefined color themes for apps and conversations. Now, here's the beauty. You get notified of every lead you receive, so you can instantly go ahead and approach them, talk to them, personalize conversations with your visitors and customers, regenerate responses generated by the co-pilots. It self-updates as well, so it keeps updating automatically. Fully encrypted GPT Apps Engine and chat management, 100% chat privacy. When you talk to the GPT app, say, hey, I want to build this, I want to build that, I want to build that. Can you create this? Can you make it like that? It remembers the conversation, it updates the conversation, and it's completely private. Nobody else in no other workspace or your leads can see that conversation. Now, unparalleled price, and you have some bonuses that we're adding, which is AI Business Mastery, how to use AI to become an absolute mogul, Copilot Marketing Mastery, and Copilot is a different word for piloting that app, making sure you create something meaningful, powerful, and more importantly, profitable. Launching your own AI biz from A to Z, click by click explained, step by step, I should say, baby step by step. Evergreen leads business, how to always have leads coming in on a full pipeline, and the entire profit market class or master class that scale up from zero to hero. Now, this is what you're going to get in the Elite. Now, on top of that, we're going to immediately unlock the enterprise level. And this is where you get trained co-pilots using multiple URLs, multiple PDFs, and using question and answers or FAQs. You have the ability to train co-pilots in multiple languages yourself. Instead of it just being able to produce in multiple languages, you can now also talk to it in different languages. You can embed the unlimited co-pilot on any website or any page with just one line of code. You get these desired output using custom trained information that we've already created for you, fully encrypted GPT apps, engine, copilot, and task management, all taken care of. You can activate, and here's the powerhouse of the enterprise level. You have a GPT-4 Turbo immediately incorporated in there, so faster and better app creation without you having to pay monthly or a dime to kind of have access to GPT-4. You can remove anything that you've already created, so the apps are now editable as well. Custom welcome and thank you messages from the Copilot, time delayed triggered response on the Copilot, get user feedback, show feedback from post chat with a rating system. So this is really powerful. When you're creating software apps, you want to make sure you have satisfied users. But the only way to figure out if they're satisfied is by asking for user feedback. That's why when you have apps on your phone, it always asks you, hey, do you like this? Do you like what you're using? And that gives you a good idea. All right, this is a great app. People are loving it, or I should change things to this app. Multilingual app creation, color themes, track every user's response, enterprise license to serve unlimited clients, and again, at an unparalleled price. We're also going to show you how to build a wildly profitable social network so you can build an email list really fast. We're going to show you how to affiliate market as well, SEO split testing so you can actually rank your apps as well, all-in-one digital marketing and AI and customer relationship marketing. Because when you're at this level, now you're really building a company. You need to learn more about CRMs and customer relationship management. But luckily, we have done everything for you, and you just follow the plan click by click. It cannot get easier than this to make tons of money without any competition, without waiting for results, or without spinning your wheels or thinking you're just another one with the same product. You're finally a unique mechanism on your own, ready to dominate the market. We give you client getting scripts and everything you need to have people begging to get access to your apps. And you can just use their email, create their account, and watch them love it. Now, if that's not enough, traffic. You'll be able to drive unlimited traffic to your offers, collect unlimited leads, generate viral traffic by social sharing embedded within the software. So when everybody uses the software, like, hey, share this with friends. Automated webinar registration. So when someone opts in for the software, you can automatically add them to a webinar. Maybe you have an affiliate offer, maybe you have your own webinars, whatever that looks like. Strengthen customer relationship with new CRM integrations, unlimited lead collection, manage leads effortlessly, no traffic leads or profit sharing from any third-party marketplaces. You have everything 100% under control in your own business. You can engage visitors with pop-up lead collection forms. So in the AI or in the app, a pop-up can appear and say, hey, enter your email for maybe a bonus, or to get access to this video. This tutorial allows you to get more engaged leads onto your list. Set up personalized welcome and thank you messages. Gather insights with surveys and feedback forms. Show affiliate offers to boost your earnings. So this is beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Inside the software, you can maybe have a corner where it says, hey, other recommended products, where you can put in affiliate products or some more of your own products and services if you have any, to make even more money from that same app. Absolutely brilliant. You can even have an appointment scheduler system inside the app. You can export your leads, instant lead notification whenever a lead opts in, integrated with 20 plus email autoresponders, advanced engagement boosters, 100% task privacy. Plus, we're going to show you how to spot trends in AIs, because now you can build really powerful apps. It's good for you to be aware and to know, hey, there's this new trend coming on. A lot of people want to use this or build this. Let me create the right app for that. So we're going to learn and show you how to find hotspots in AI marketing. I'm going to give you full GPT mastery. All of you that get this will be powerhouse entrepreneurs moving forward, even if you're starting from minus scratch. Business planning strategies, as you're now going to build a real business instead of a gimmicky hobby. Instant conversion mastery, and I'm going to show you, once you start making a lot of money, how to buy traffic to generate massive website visitors for pennies on the dollar. Now, let me ask you this: who here loves everything they're getting so far? Who here loves everything they are getting so far? I see someone saying, sign me up right now. Awesome. Where's the link? Is Italian available? Yes, Luca, 100%. Buongiorno. I think that's Italian. Awesome. I love it. I love it. All in. I'm in. Perfect. Guys, let me tell you this. I know you want the link. I know you want access. Bear with me because it gets even better. It's Cyber Week. We have to step our game up. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give you the agency level. You'll be able to serve unlimited clients with an agency license. Not only that, like you saw in the demo, you'll be able to six-figure white label your entire app, your own logo, your own everything. You can do custom branding. You can white label the entire dashboard, rebrand the entire header of anything you create, the entire app, as well as the apps that you create. Sell high in-demand apps for lead generation as well, and earn monthly profits. Because listen, you can also just use an app as a lead magnet. It's the most highest in demand freebie that there is. Everybody can give away a little PDF, a little ebook. I mean, there's not a lot of value to it, and a lot of people are not going through an entire 100-page ebook. They just don't have the time. They'll download it maybe, but actually going through it is a long run. But when you say, hey, I built this app and I'm giving it away for free to 100 people who wants access, you'll have people begging you to give them your email address. Now, create client accounts in 3 simple clicks. So you can literally sell this to anyone and just create their account, boom, and start getting paid. Serve unlimited clients and team members under your agency license, and you can assign clients to specific workspaces. Maybe you want to create different apps for them every single month, or you want to give them access to one app every single week, however you want to do that. And we have full training on that as well. You can manage them 100% from one dashboard. You can monitor their activity so you can see which apps they like the most. The GPT Apps Engine is cloud-based platform, so you don't need to buy domain hosting or installation. You can access this from anywhere and run a wildly profitable business, at the very least a 5-figure business, even if it's just 10K a month, just from having a couple of really good apps, people that love it, and you grow it like that. You can build an immense list by having really unique apps, something that nobody else can do other than you who is here on this webinar. Now, you get dedicated support with chat assistants directly from the software as well as from us. Keep 100% of the earnings yourself. You don't have to profit share unless you have your own partner, of course. Offer high demand services that clients actually seek. So we're going to show you how to find the clients, how to turn this into a 7-figure biz. Yes, we've done over $1 million ourselves with softwares. So we are able to share exactly how to launch it, how to make noise, how to make buzz, how to get people excited, and where to find them in the first place. Our 3-step plan: give them trial access, create an app, create them trial access, then follow up and watch your clients pay you. Now, recurring income masterclass, how do you keep them satisfied and keep paying you over and over again? We're going to share it all. Plus, for those of you that don't like to be in the spotlight, we got our faceless marketing masterclass, so you can build a software app that gets tons of people and it's just focused on the brand rather than you as a person. Now, you can go either way, but we've added that in there because I know some people rather want to stay out of the spotlight but let their business do the talking. Now, again, because you're on this webinar, we're going to do something crazy. So on top of all those amazing things that you're getting, we're going to do the following. You're going to get the AI GPT Apps Elite Edition, which I just talked about, the AI GPT Apps Agency Income, which I just mentioned, the AI GPT Apps Traffic Unlocked, so you have real traffic generation ready to go, and AI GPT Apps Enterprise Mode. But if that's not enough, I keep having to repeat myself. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you forgot, it is Cyber Week. So common bonus, if you want the webinar only Cyber Week bonus uploaded into your AI GPT apps account. And I'm going to reveal to you what those are as soon as you comment bonus. That's lots of yeses. Yes, I know. I don't even have to go on. Everybody already tells me, share me the link. But guys, I have to go through these slides. I'm almost there. I'm always there. But lucky enough, it only gets better for you. I mean, you want to know what you're getting, right? Awesome, awesome. So here's what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen. This is only for the live webinar attendees right here of the Cyber Week AI GPT accounts. We're going to give you access to, first of all, a live training, and I'll be hosting that live training for you. So get used to my voice. I'm going to take you by the hand how to go from 0 to 10K a month with GPT Apps Engine. This is only for the first 1,000 buyers. Normally, you have to pay $1,000 ticket to attend this masterclass. You are going to get this for free. We're going to give you video training on how to start an online business We're going to give you video training specifically that we've recently, I think the recording was finished 2 days ago. Absolutely lovely training on how to launch apps and run your agency business, plus a video training on how to boost your sales. Because we're so confident you're going to get results with this, we already take it to the next step and say, listen, we know you're going to get sales, but how do you boost them? Because there are a couple of things you can do now that you have these clients, now that they're paying you, they know, like, and trust you. You can now do things like upselling. So we're going to show you exactly what the most seamless way is to do that. Plus, if that's not enough, we have a special extra cyber bonus. I don't know what this Y is doing here, but we have an extra special cyber bonus where you get access to DreamSite. I'm going to quickly show you what DreamSite is. DreamSite is probably one of the most beautiful site builders known to mankind, and you're going to get access to that. Normally, you have to pay $197 a month. We're going to give access to that for free, where you can build. I'm just going to fast forward here real quick. The most beautiful websites with the click of a button. And the reason it's called DreamSite, because these are the types of websites your client dreams of. So you can use these and create these for yourself. You can also create these for clients. You're going to get access as a bonus to DreamSite completely for free. In just 3 clicks, you select the theme, tweak it slightly, boom, and you have a website you can sell and profit or use for yourself. And you can see normally you have to pay for it, but you're going to get access to this as part of Cyber Week special. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, normal price to effortlessly produce profitable software and apps in just 60 seconds, I will tell you, it should be no more or no less than $5,000. I mean, are you kidding me? What you're getting here is groundbreaking stuff where you can build a wildly profitable agency with. However, that's for the general public. You were smart enough to show up not only on the live webinar, but during Cyber Week. So we're not going to charge you $4,997. We figured $997 is a great price, and if you ask me, that is. But we're going to take it all the way down to the sales price of $317. Now, before I carry on, I just want to ask real quick, who thinks, and be honest with me, for everything that you're getting in the 10X version, where we upgrade your $32 account, who thinks $317 one time is actually a steal for getting the fast action bonuses, for getting the agency unlocked, the enterprise level, the traffic enterprise? Who thinks that's actually a steal to have the most powerful app builder in the game? I see awesome, awesome, awesome. Man of steel, it is. Now, if you think it is, which I see everybody does, don't forget, for the last time, ladies and gentlemen, it's Cyber Week. So we have to go a little bit crazier. Ladies and gentlemen, enough with the chit chat. We're going to drop it down all the way. You're going to get access for the Cyber Special, the fast action bonus, everything I've mentioned, $230 one time, no recurring fees because you're on this webinar. If you get this outside of the webinar, you will be charged monthly, but you won't because you are here live taking action. If you're here watching this live, and I can see you are, you get access to all of the upgrades for as little as $230 one time, which means, first of all, you're going to get your premium account created, which is already practically free. You'll be able to do all of these things for just $32. And then to supercharge your account with the Elite Edition, the agency income, the traffic unlocked, and the enterprise mode, it is just $230 and you're off to the races. The biggest Cyber Week discount for the most powerful app, not just another course, not just another training, another copywriter, another one of those. This is something unique. You most likely, I'm pretty sure and confident, you don't have access to at all remotely right now. It's going to change the way you do business. Whatever you want, you can create yourself. Plus, whatever your clients want, you can create something unique for them. You'll be a unicorn in the marketing field. You can build immense lists by giving away powerful, unique stuff that nobody else can replicate. Ladies and gentlemen, comment live discount or comment cyber special, comment anything. If you want us to drop a link right now, we're going to share it with you, and it's only going to be live during this webinar. And to clarify, you open up your accounts for $32. So at the very least, create your account, $32, because you need an account first before you can add on the upgrades. Once you have your account, you have immediately the option to add all of this at a major steal. Instead of having to pay $800 separately, you can immediately get access to all the upgrades at $230, and your account will be supercharged on the spot. So with that being access, go ahead and grab this right now. You can sell anything with this, whether you have previous products that we've sold or you have your own products that you're trying to sell. Using this, you'll be a unicorn and people will be desperate to get access to anything that you sell because you have unique software applications that you can give away alongside it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want the link, go ahead and ask for it right now. I'll let the team know. They're dropping the link in the chat box. There you go. I'm actually going to click on it myself. And if you see on screen right here, all you have to do is click the big green button that says get started. It will take you down. You immediately see you're getting access to everything as promised that I mentioned for 32 bucks. And then once you're on the checkout page, you'll also get to see right off the bat that you have the option, and right after this, to have a fast pass where you get everything for 230. So this is only 32 bucks. This creates your account. As you can see, single payment. So since you're on this webinar, no additional cost. Go ahead and open up your account. And then right after that is done, you will get to see this steal, which will only appear once for you on this webinar, where you can click this button that says upgrade, and that takes you to the massive discount right here of getting the elite, the enterprise, the traffic, the AC, and the fast action bonuses at no recurring, no monthly, no yearly, for only $230 instead of $885. But because yes, that is the normal price for all of these things. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking forward to see you on the inside. I'll be here for about 10 to 15 more minutes to make sure everybody gets access, to make sure everybody is happy, make sure everybody has their bonuses, making sure everybody has everything they need. Plus, remember, you'll get to speak to me again because I'm going to explain to you click by click, everybody that takes action here, you're going to get the fast action bonus where I am going to walk you through how to go from 0 to 10K a month with GPT apps. So I hope you enjoyed the way I do my webinars, because it's going to be nothing different next time, where we're going to sit down, we're going to go at a little bit of a slower space and literally click by click show you here's what you need to do to make money with GPT apps now that you've made an insanely profitable decision to grab this. So go ahead and take action, and then we'll speak again. But first, let me know if you have any questions. And if you don't have any questions, make sure you grab this right now. I cannot tell you enough that after this webinar, you won't be able to grab this again. This is a special. And if I haven't told you so already, we even have a risk-free, so you can test drive GPT apps risk-free for 30 days. So at the very least, just try this. Just try this out for what? 20 days, 25 days, 29 days. And then decide for yourself, hey, I really love this. I can create any app I want. I can build anything for businesses. I can become a unicorn in the marketing space. My imagination supersedes. I think always it will be really useful if I create something that does this, this, and this. And boom, work with the co-pilot, you make it happen, you sell it to businesses. That's how some of the biggest success stories are created. They had an idea, they noticed there was nothing there for it to be actually created, so they created it themselves. And before you know it, they have a list built with tens of thousands of people on, because they have a tool that solves a problem in a niche. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is without doubt a limited time offer. And again, you have a 30-day money back guarantee. So at the very least, just test drive it. Go ahead and get the upgrades as well, because we made sure you're going to get the biggest bang for your buck without any recurring fees or monthly payments, just because you're on this webinar. Now, I said only for the next 10 to 15 minutes. After that, it is a goner, and you would have missed out on something that nobody else can provide you, because all other AIs, I've seen them all, they a lot of time, and they're powerful, I'm not going to speak bad about them, they're good, but they do something that is not as unique as what you witness right here. And if you've paid attention, you know that with GPT apps, you transform yourself into an irresistible element in the industry. And that's exactly what you're going to be able to do. Ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and take action right now. As soon as you're in, let me know in the chat box so I can welcome you, congratulate you, and roll out the red carpet to make you part of the family of GPT apps. We're going to make sure it's going to be the best business decision you've ever made this entire year. And we want to close out this year with a bang, and so do you. So go ahead and grab GPT apps. And I'm looking forward to watch you grow your business, create your apps, and show you exactly how to sell them on the inside, because that's what's going to happen the moment you grab this. So if you have any questions, drop them in the chat box. I'm more than happy to answer all of them. We have a chat team in place as well to answer any questions. But other than that, you can go ahead and grab this right now. You have the 30-day money back guarantee. So if any questions arise down the road, we will be able to answer them regardless. So let me go ahead and go and check the chat box here. I'm just going to put the presentation slide back up. And in case the pricing wasn't clear, I'll show it one more time. You'll be able to get access to, first of all, your premium access to the account. So first, we need to create your account. You need a username. You need access to the entire thing. That will only be 32 bucks since you were on this webinar. Normally, you have to pay at least 297 just for your account to be built alone. Now, once you have your account created for just 32 bucks, you have the option, and I'd say the absolute steal, to immediately supercharge your account to the Elite Edition, the agency income level, the traffic unlock, and the enterprise mode for as little as $230 all in one, instead of having to pay an additional $885. You're saving so much money because you're on the cyber special webinar. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, once again, the link is in the chat box. I'll ask the team to drop the link several times. If you have any questions, let me know. And for now, I'm just going to welcome and congratulate all the people that are in. I'm going to start with my man, Steve. Congratulations. Super excited to have you in here. Sean, congratulations. Super excited to have you in here. Luca is curious to try it. Go ahead and try it out. Remember, you have a 30-day money back guarantee, so definitely go ahead and grab that. Let's see. Oh, I see a couple of questions about the mega. Let me actually address that as well. My bad, guys. And again, this is how you know that it's live. So let me go ahead and share that too. After you've got them, and again, for me, the FastPass and the GPT apps in itself, the premium account, are extremely powerful and important for you to get. But for our people that are like, hey, I just want to get results as soon as yesterday. I'm sick and tired. The year's almost over. Let me get everything I need to just make sure I do this right and I get the biggest discount of my life. You will have, not everyone will have this option because we're only giving away very limited amounts of these. You'll have the Mega Suite access. Now, in the Mega Suite, what's going to happen, for those of you that don't know, you see here, you're going to get click landing page websites to sell your app. So once you create these apps, you maybe want to create additional websites. Boom, you can with one click create them. Now, since we also added the bonus of the Dream Site Pro, you might want to just use that bonus. But for those of you that want to use the one we specifically use with GPT apps, this is the great one right here. On top of that, you want to start emailing. Some of you already have an email system and an email autoresponder in place. Or some of you want to have one and kind of ditch the monthly payment you have on the existing one, and some of you don't have one at all. With this, you'll be able to send unlimited emails in an autoresponder in one click from within GPT apps. Not only that, we got a traffic software where we're going to show you, you turn it on and it siphons views from YouTube to you. It's a legal hack that we've discovered how you can go into 800 million YouTube videos and redirect their views to any link or offer of your choice. Really powerful, especially if you're someone that just needs more traffic and needs more eyeballs to your stuff. You're also going to get access to what you know is a done for you viral news site. News sites are so easy to go viral with when you have this, you know, these things where it's like, oh, 10 celebrities here, you'll never guess what they look like now. The ninth one is the craziest, right? It just sucks people in and they want to see it and want to click through, and you get a lot of traffic to it. And on that site, you can go ahead and put a link to your app, etc. You can use these in any niches, and we have created viral news sites that are specifically related to AI news, right? So things that are really viral and buzzing around the concept of AI. You're going to get access to these. These drive tons of traffic as well. The website builder, now this is one specifically, again, to host multiple softwares, courses, and any other agency service you have. So you kind of create your own marketplace with this one. That's done for your marketplace to sell your apps. This one is specifically to launch products, courses, and agency services. Then you have a set and forget Udemy-like e-learning site. So if you are selling courses in terms of consulting. And if you've ever been to Udemy, you have like a bunch of different courses. You can sign up for them. You can create a exact similar site. So maybe you don't want to build one yourself. You just want to replicate Udemy style. You can do that as well. So with this, as you can see, you have all the tools you need to not only get traffic, but to build out your business in the way you desire, and having different options to do it in different ways. Now, you can also use these apps for client. You have 2 million plus done for you books with PLR rights. You have 50,000 plus blog articles with PLR rights. You have 10 business and marketing video courses with PLR rights. I mean, this will make sure you never need anything else for your business. You can go ahead and create an app with GPT apps, then give a book away alongside it, and go ahead and sell an affiliate offer alongside it. I mean, the world is your oyster once you have access to all of these things. So VIP live training included as well. Again, an additional VIP live training specifically for the people that had the mega suite, how to sell apps. So we have an additional training for our VIP members. It's a closer room, less people, so more attention to every individual there. Live training on how to create a six-figure business, and Facebook and Insta, YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and lead generation, as well as advanced Facebook, Instagram, and traffic training videos from scratch. So if you want to get more traffic from social media, we got you covered on that as well. Plus, at the end of the day, all you need is clicks. So we're going to show you how to go from 0 to 100,000 clicks a month to your GPT apps. And this is a big VIP feature that we're adding in just for you guys. So with that being said, you can tell the mega suite, we only have 50 spots because, like I said, we want to keep this like a smaller room, specifically, especially when it comes to the live trainings. We want to make sure this only for a finite amount of people. I didn't mention this because not everyone will see this, but obviously it is important for you to know in case you do see it. It's very self-explanatory. If you feel the need, you need any of these things, or you just like to have access to them to supercharge everything you got going on, then I highly recommend it. But if you don't take this, no worries. My most important thing for you to know is to, first of all, simply open up your account, and then second of all, make sure you take advantage of the fast pass, where you get for $230 the white label, the agency, the fast action bonuses, the traffic unlock, and the enterprise edition. Right. So once you have these, you're already more than set. And then again, for our powerhouse users who want extra attention and really scale this up fast and make sure they have all the tools that maybe right now is missing in your business, or you just want to make sure you have everything to even have less competition, go ahead and get that mega suite as well. Either way, you'll be in great hands getting this right here, right now. I see Maria says, you now have 49 spots. I just got one of the mega suites. I love it, Maria. And I expected nothing less. I loved your attention during this webinar. You made funny jokes, and I can't wait. I can't wait to see you on the inside. So with that being said, once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your last and final chance to grab this right here, right now. The moment you got GPT apps is the moment your business goes on steroids and transforms the way you do business online. Nobody can even get close to what you're able to do. Nobody can even replicate the way you created these apps. You'll be your own unique entity that can add value to anyone's business, including your own. And having that privilege, having that power is so insanely valuable and can add so much money to your business. But better yet, the next time you need something or you want something, you can just create stuff yourself before you have to go out and shell out big bucks to something that does the exact same thing that you can create. And that's what's beautiful about GPT apps. It turns you into your own creator. Now, I've seen people create micro SaaS, make 12K a month, 30K a month, 90K a month, and nobody's ever heard of these people. They only know the software they created and they love it. And it does send traffic to it. So, hey, if you're a business, you have this problem, I have a micro SaaS that can actually solve that problem. And you're like, oh, I always run into this problem. Let me try this thing out. And maybe it's only 17 bucks. And because it's so inexpensive, people keep buying and buying and buying and buying, and they pay every single month. There's no buyer's resistance, and they love it. Now, on the flip side, you can also create apps specifically for bigger businesses and local businesses and get paid top dollar. Either way, the world is your oyster. We've seen people use it for affiliate marketing and create very unique bonuses alongside maybe either their MLM promo, or it's just their regular affiliate product of someone else that they're trying to sell, or their own courses, ebooks, or consulting services, they now create an app alongside it. So with that being said, the best way to experience this is just by witnessing it firsthand, by logging in and seeing it for yourself. So with that being said, go ahead and create your account right now. Team, can you drop the link one last time? And when you go to the link, you once again see you get access to your premium account for just $32. And again, at the very least, even if you're like, hey, I'm not sure if I can get the 230 right now, which again, we're discounting it to a very affordable level in comparison with all the value that you're getting here. But nonetheless, at the very bare minimum least, don't leave this webinar without opening up an account for just 32 bucks, right? That is the very least you should do so you have access to all of this. Now, again, if you're smart and you're here on Cyber Week special and you're watching this live right now, you can get all these upgrades instead of having to pay $885, close to $1,000. You get immediately supercharged for just 230 one time, and you're off to the races. So this is a huge advantage that you're getting here today just on this webinar. Now, this is only going to be available for the next 5 minutes or so, depending on how many questions we're getting. But other than that, I want to congratulate everyone that is getting access. By the way, let me actually continue going through all the people that are getting in. So I see Sinji asking, can I create apps in other languages? Sinji, yes, 100%. 100% you can. I see Tommy says, I'm in. Let's go for my SaaS empire. Awesome, Tommy. Congratulations. Welcome to the GPT Apps family. Dan, you'll be receiving those through your email, brother. Definitely. So that's for Dan Race, by the way. Answer your question right there. Dr. Michael says, I purchased this suite. Welcome to the mega suite family of GPT apps. Dr. Michael, congratulations, my man. Super excited for you. Let's see. Any money back guarantee? Yes, we have a 30-day money back guarantee, 100%. Mike, any more upsells after the mega suite? I mean, even if we have, Mike, I'm just going to tell you, if you have the mega suite, you have the fast pass discount, you have the premium account, you're good to go. You're good to go. Trust me on that. Don't worry about anything else. Let's get you started. So super excited to have you there. Let's see. Tony, so for you, Tony, I highly recommend you do at the very least, just create your premium account. Just create your premium account. It's only 32 bucks and you won't regret it. As a matter of fact, if you don't get it, you will regret it, right? So don't leave this webinar without at least having a $32 account to at least have access to some of that power. Now, again, obviously, it's in your best interest to have that major discount of 230 instead of 800 bucks to immediately go crazy, drive tons of traffic, get unlimited access to all of the apps, and be absolutely unstoppable. Even if you have on top of that the mega suite, I mean, then you're just a force to reckon with, right? So obviously those things make it even better. But if it's just out of your reach, then at the very least, don't leave this webinar without a $32 account. George has purchased. George Evers, congratulations to you. Super excited. Chetan, can the Copilot chatbot be installed on any website? Yes, it can. Even Wix websites. Awesome. Maria's in, as I know. Congratulations, Maria. Awesome. Maria, perfect. I got Mega 2. I don't have to buy apps anymore. I love it. Also, I bought the front end of FastPass. Says Luca, my Italian friend. Awesome. Let's see. How do you say congratulations in Italian? Is it felicitations or how do you I know it. Let me think about it. It is maybe just congratulazioni. Congratulazioni, Luca. I think that's Italian for congratulations. I just looked it up. Congratulazioni. I love it. Awesome. Let's see. So David, so let me explain once again that mega suite. That mega suite of 127 bucks. You'll see there, it has a lot of additional VIP features of things that we expect most people have in their business already, such as an autoresponder, such as a website builder, such as, things like that. But in case you don't have that, or you want to get rid of those and just have everything in-house together with GPT apps, you can take a mega suite and have all of your business built out in terms of all the tools you need to run a business, including traffic, because you also get a tool to siphon tons of YouTube traffic. If traffic has been an issue for you, haven't been getting enough leads, then yeah, get the Mega Suite. It's going to help out a lot, but it's completely optional. Some of you already have. I got traffic coming in from social, already have an autoresponder. I don't need a Mega Suite, and I'm not going to force it upon you. But obviously, if you don't have a lot of those things, just go through the VIP things that you're getting. If you're like, hey, these are actually useful and I actually need a lot of these, then you get a major bang for your buck, an amazing discount of getting all of that in one. So I hope that makes sense. I see Glenn saying, I mean, I got the special. Glenn, congratulations, my man. And I should say congratulations to you too, Michael. Awesome. I see Tony. I got it. Welcome, Tony. Oh, you got the premium account. Awesome. That's good to hear, Tony. Sean was in. Sean, congratulations. Perfect. Luca also is .com pal. Can I integrate it? Of course, Luca. 100%. Awesome. I'm already in. I got the 32 bucks. Awesome. Harren is asking, I have a JPSU account. Should I have to log in first before making a payment? Not necessarily. Awesome. I love it. I mean, says Johnny Walker. Isn't that a famous drink? Johnny, congratulations, brother. Super excited for you. George says, is the 230 in addition to the 32? Yeah, so the 32 is to create your account, which is an absolute steal. And then I might add the 230 is also an absolute steal. That is to get all the additional upgrades, which normally would cost you $885. And since it's Cyber Week special and you're on the live webinar, just for 230. So I hope that clarifies that. So there we go. Yeah, the Mega Suite is separate. I see Sean. I'm in. Sean, congratulations to you as well. Let's see. Dave just got the Mega Suite. Dave, congratulations to you as well. Or I should say congratulations, Yoni. Ben, the energy guy, is officially in. My man, Ben, congratulations. Say Daji. Okay, Daji, Luca. Tanika is in. Congratulations. Ben is in. Amina is in. Shuwana is in. Awesome. April, is the elite still good? Yeah, it is fantastic. There you go. How do I get access to the dream site? It's going to be sent to your email 100%. So you definitely get access there. And guys, I'll speak to you again. We're going to hop on a call where the pace is going to be a little bit slower. We're just going to have an awesome training session. I'm going to walk you through how to do everything, how to make a lot of money, how to run the apps, how to get the clients. So we're going to do an amazing training session. So you get to hear me again. So if you have any questions, no worries. You'll get to speak to us again. We're going to do an open Q&A for all of our members. So no worries, right? If you have questions right now or you feel like I might have questions later, we'll be live again. Plus, we have a really good support 24/5, so you can always reach out to them as well. Let's see. Will it have team access for my husband to work with me? Yes, Maria, 100%. And we'll definitely be able to take care of that. If it doesn't, I know for a fact it does. So you're completely taken care of there. You can add him, just use the email he uses, and then boom. I love it. Power couple. Amazing. Let's see. There we go. You've been awesome as usual. Thanks, brother. Awesome. So I'm just gonna run through the last few things here. I'm in. I pressed everything now. That's perfect. Congratulations, Vikash. Amina's in. Congratulations. Luca with the Italian language. Oh, let me get the team on that. Luca, team, can we make sure Luca can access everything in Italian language? Can we go ahead and make sure that is added to his account? So let me actually type that over to the team as well. Give me a second here, Luca. I got you. I know you want the Italiani language. So I'm just going to notify that to the team here. Luca, can you give me the email that you signed up with real quick? Can you give me the email you signed up with? Let's see here. April says, I haven't gotten the login information yet. Is it a bit slow? Well, here's the thing, April. We're building, or not building, but it's creating a ton of accounts right now at the highest level. So these are not just simple accounts. Almost everyone is supercharging account with the Cyber Week special. So it takes a little bit longer than usual, but don't be afraid. You'll definitely get account access. If anything, feel free to share your email with me, and then we're going to go ahead and accelerate that entire process for you. Luca, I'm using financial budgeting planning app. Okay, sweet. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this and share it with the team. There we go. Boom. Save the clipboard and boom. Here, we can use Italian language. Okay, got you covered, Luca. Apologies that it's not there right away, but I'm making sure that it will be. Awesome. Okay, Amin, oh, what's the name? Amina. Yeah, let me screenshot that and make sure you can log in as well. So tech team. Okay, Luca, I just got a confirmation with a big yes that they're going to take care of that for you. Amina, you're up next. I'm going to make sure that you can obviously log in. Let's see. April. Yeah, I got the email. Here we go. Let's see, what's it about the credit? So Josie, if you have the unlimited, then you won't have to deal with credits. You'll have unlimited credits. I mean, the amount of credits, even if there's amounts of credits there, you'll never run out of them. When you have the cyber special, the 231, you will never run out of credits. With the other one, you'll have a finite amount of credits because it's not unlimited, and it will replenish over time. There you go. April, they're checking it out right now. Awesome. Julian with the logo. Let's take care of that as usual. I'm logged in. Try to upload the PNG file. Team, can you go ahead? So specifically for the tech team, they'll be able to answer that a little bit better for you. And guys, that's what I call aftercare, right? We don't just end the webinar once everyone's in. We want to make sure people are logged in. For those of you that are taking action right away, we want to make sure everything is satisfied. I mean, that's important as well, and I hope you appreciate and see that. So what I'm going to do here, team, can you make sure you walk Julian through making sure he can immediately white label because he wants to go ahead and have his own logo up there. I love it. Make sure he can white label that properly in the white label section. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So Haran with the password to log in his GPT Apps account. So team, perfect. Answer Haran's question right there as well. They'll take care of that too. Perfect. Awesome. So guys, a lot of accounts are being created. The team is hands-on, making sure everybody's getting access, making sure everybody has everything they need back to back to back to back. So bear with us. Tommy said, I bought Mega Suite. A few of those apps will be useful. So there you go. That's the exact way to go about it. You just skip through them if you're like, hey, this and this and this actually would be pretty useful. I know I would normally pay a whole lot more if I just wanted one of these. I'm getting a bunch of them. I can actually use a lot of them now and maybe a few others later. Let me just get the Mega Suite one time and I'm off to the races. And that's how you should look at it. And Tommy, congratulations. You made a very wise and thoughtful decision. There you go. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Perfect. So see, a lot of questions are being answered by the team. If your question is not answered yet, just sit tight. They're going one by one. If it does take a little bit longer than you thought, just ask it again. It's possible that they just might have missed it because we're with over 100 people in this room right now, still with over 100 people in this room. So just make sure if you asked your question a while ago, feel free to answer it or ask it again. So the team, it kind of gets popped to the bottom or up to the bottom, and then we can see it right away. Awesome. There we go. So with that being said, once again, for those of you that missed it, I'll do it one more last time. You're going to get access to your GPT Apps Premium, which includes all of these things right here. Basically, long story short, you'll be able to create a powerful app whenever you want, whenever you want, however you want, any day, any time, any week. As a matter of fact, let me actually walk through the page in the chat so you can see it firsthand a little bit as well. Let's go here to the special. I'll put that up on the screen. So here's what that's going to look like. You'll be able to create 100% white label generative AI apps in just 60 seconds. No coding, no hiring, no hassle, right? 100% instantly create GPT apps in minutes We already have 225 done for you software app templates. You can train AI powered apps with your own data, 100% white labeled apps, effortlessly embed these apps anywhere on any website, in any type of website, and yes, even Wix. No code app builder, drag and drop simplicity, the latest GPT app models included, 4.04 turbo, which normally you have to pay for monthly. We take care of that. Collect tons of leads with custom interaction and lead collection. Deliver personalized AI solutions to clients in one click. Train the AI to speak your brand's language, knowledge, and style, so it's really unique to you. Launch apps within minutes and start earning profits. Create multilingual software apps for global reach. Easiest way to have white label GPT apps for any need. I mean, there's no simpler way out there than this. Build AI powered apps for sales, copy, scripts, emails, and more, and make money with commercial license. You're going to have access to all of this, but this is going to vanish in moments from now. So if you're still not in, make sure you grab this right now. If you ever wanted something unique, something powerful, something new, something that nobody else can do other than you, and that allows you to get paid more, get more attention, which at the end of the day is what it's all about. Getting people to pay attention to you so you get paid monetary. Now, once you're able to do this, that's exactly what's going to happen, but you need to open up your account. Opening up an account is only 32 bucks, and if you immediately want to supercharge your account for 230 instead of 885 annually, you can immediately upgrade to the highest level account and have an immensely powerful app builder at your fingertips. So with that being said, you can start creating these apps in just 3 steps. You can select the template, you can customize everything, launch and profit, as simple as that. You can launch your own profitable AI agency. It is absolutely insane. You have all these different niches ready to go. No matter what you want to create, for who you want to create it, you can completely white label it with your own logo. You can build your own SaaS empire. So if that's something you want to do, and you want to have trainable client-specific AI co-pilots, then this is for you. So with that being said, what I'm going to do right now, and I see I haven't shared my screen properly. There we go. Now you can see. So what I've been sharing here on screen, let me share that one more time. You get access to the GPT apps in minutes, 225 plus done for you software apps, train AI powered apps, launch 100% white labeled apps right there. Effortlessly embed these apps, no code app builder, as well as the latest GPT API models, collect tons of leads, as well as deliver personalized AI solutions. Train the AI, speak to your brand style, launch it in minutes, create multilingual software apps. Easiest way to write white label GPT apps, build AI powered apps for sales, copy, scripts, emails, and more, and make money with the commercial license. Now, let me tell you once again, ladies and gentlemen, if I haven't mentioned it already more than enough, collecting leads with a custom app is the craziest, most powerful thing you can ever do, right? Imagine just going on Facebook, going on Instagram, going on any platform saying, hey, I built this cool app. I want to give it away for free. You'll have people begging, standing in line to give you their email address, and you see your list being built in real time. And now you can email market to them, or you can sell another app to them that is a paid version. I mean, the world is your oyster, and the business model is so simple because you have this unique power. Now, once again, it's only 3 steps: select the template, customize, launch, and profit, as well as your entire profitable AI agency or app agency right here, just like that. You have a ready-to-use templates ready to go, white-labeled AI apps. You have to, or you can build your own SaaS empire, as well as trainable client-specific AI co-pilots. And it doesn't stop there. It's easy. It creates freedom. It's efficient. It's fast. It's code-free, and it gives you 100% control with your own white label. I'll leave it at that, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed today's webinar. If you did, let me know in the chat box. If you did, your feedback is always welcome. It's mandatory for us to know what you like and what you don't like, because at the end of the day, it's not it's you, right? You decide everything. You are the reason we're here, so we need to listen to you, and you're the biggest judge of everything we do. So let me know in the chat box if you enjoyed today's webinar. If it wasn't, I should say, the way I like to do webinars is not the Rex and Riches, not the sob stories, but just here's something cool. Here's what we've been doing with it. Here's how it works. Here's the demo, and here's how you get access to it. And I hope you like that style of webinar. And if you did, then definitely come back for more, because on these webinars, you get the biggest bang for your buck if you haven't noticed that already. So with that being said, I'll see you on the inside. I see people saying, great webinar, Raheem. Thank you, Thomas. Fire, good webinar. Great. Thanks. I loved it. Amazing webinar. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You guys are the sweetest. Appreciate you big time. So with that being said, what I'm going to do, if you're still in a conversation with the, I should say, chat team, I'm not going to end the webinar right now. I'm going to go to the back and give some extra hands on creating all these accounts and making sure everybody gets access. But I will mute myself. And then if you feel like I got everything I need, I got all my questions answered, feel free to leave the webinar. If you're like, hey, I'm still waiting for my question to be answered, stay on, because the chat team is here manually typing and answering everyone, right? So with that being said, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope once again you had an amazing experience. It was time well spent. You get a big bang for your buck. For announcements, bonuses, and all of that stuff, definitely check your email. We'll be announcing them there. We'll be giving away additional cool bonuses, so you get access to everything there as well. Have an amazing rest of your day, and congratulations with your purchase if you haven't purchased already. But if you did, make sure to log in and have a blast with GPT apps. But if you haven't, this is your last and final time where I'm going to put up a 5-minute timer to go ahead and get the biggest discount known to mankind right here, right now. So don't miss out. See you on the inside. Bye-bye.
Hello and welcome. In this demo, I'll be showing you how GPT Apps Engine create 100% white label generative AI apps in 60 seconds without writing a single line of code or hiring anyone. With the help of GPT Apps Engine, you can sell AI apps to marketers, creators, local business owners and charge thousands of dollars a pop. All you have to do is choose an app from 225 plus done for you software app templates, and GPT Apps Engine will do the rest for you by personalize every detail, prompts, style, tone, deploy anywhere, serve clients, run a profitable AI agency with 100% white labeled license. Now, let's jump in. This is the GPT Apps Engine dashboard. Here, you'll find total apps you have created, leads generated, watch demo video. You can mark your favorite super apps for quick access and even view on live from the dashboard. We've also added some quick links for easy navigation. At the top left, you'll find the workspace section where you can see all your workspaces or add a new one. And on the bottom right, there's the language option, letting you switch the app to your preferred language. Alright, let's create a new app for you. You have two options. Create an app from 225 done for you templates, or start from scratch. Let's go with a template. You'll find 225 templates across 16 categories, designed to cover the top niches and business needs. These templates are pre-built by our intelligent engine to save you time and effort. Let's take a quick look at the categories. Alright, I'll select the email category and create a product launch announcement app. Here's how it works. Update the profile details or keep them as they are. Answer category-specific questions tailored to your chosen template. You can edit the questions, adjust response types, mark them as required or optional, add new ones, or remove any. Next, customize your app's appearance style. Once everything is set, choose the final action you want for your app. Display the app-generated response, redirect users to a specific link, or show a thank you message. Finally, hit the launch button and your app is ready. Now, you might be wondering, how will my app look? We're now on the app listing page. Here, you'll notice 3 dots next to each app. Clicking on these gives you several options. Edit the app. Copy the embed code. Duplicate the app. Add it to a super app. Or even move it to another workspace. Let's move ahead and create a super app. Click on Create New Super App. Customize the super app's profile details. Update the footer branding and policy pages. Select one or more apps to include in your super app. Once that's done, hit the Launch Super App button. Your super app is now ready to deploy. Click here to preview it and see how it looks in action. Here are your super apps. You can start delivering services to coaches, creators, marketers, agencies, consultants, local business, and make yourself an AI apps expert without writing a single line of code and charge any amount you want. Offer customized AI tools for industries like healthcare, education, e-commerce, and leverage AI to solve real-world problems without any technical skills. You can by creating and selling unlimited, white-label generative AI super apps under your own brand. Tap into high-demand markets like lead generation, content creation, and generate recurring revenue without coding, hosting, or development hassle. Scale fast and profit big. Sell niche-specific super apps to local businesses. Now, let's move to the Copilot section. Here's how you can create and customize your Copilot step by step. Start with the basics. Click on the Create Trained Copilot button. Update the Copilot profile to match your business needs. Add a profile image, give your Copilot a name, and write a brief description about its purpose. Customize placeholder text, notice messages, and select the language for the Copilot. Adjust its appearance settings, including the theme and color scheme, to align with your brand. Q&A section. Set up a welcome message that will greet users at the start of a conversation. Add a thank you message to display after the conversation ends. Update the FAQ section to provide instant answers to common questions. This feature is unique and versatile. You can use it for your business or offer FAQ creation as a service to your clients. Training your Copilot. Train your Copilot using multiple URLs and PDF files simultaneously. Simply enter the URLs of the content or upload PDF files to teach your Copilot everything it needs to know. Lead integration. Integrate your favorite autoresponder to collect leads directly. Alternatively, collect leads without integrations. Let's select the autoresponder and the list where you want the leads to be stored. Feedback and lead forms. Add a feedback form that will appear after a set time once the conversation ends. Customize the lead form to make it mandatory or optional. Deployment. Once everything is set, your Copilot is fly. Copy the embed code and deploy it anywhere on websites, inside members' areas, or even within your own products. Congratulations! Your Copilot is now your 24/7 personal AI employee, armed with your custom knowledge to serve users efficiently. And don't worry, you can revisit and customize its settings anytime to fine-tune its performance. This is your chance to make money, build authority in your niche, establish your brand, gain fame and recognition, and ultimately, create your legacy. Let's explore the lead section. Here, you can view all the leads generated through your Copilot. Manage these leads effortlessly. Export them whenever you need for follow-ups or campaigns. Next up is the app response section. In this section, you can check all the responses generated by your apps. Use this data to identify what your customers are searching for. Easily pinpoint your target audience. Now, let's move to visitor feedback. In this section, you can check out all the feedback generated through your Copilot. Review the ratings provided by your users to understand their experience. Use this information to calculate lead scores, helping you identify high-potential leads. Leverage this data for your promotional campaigns. It's even more powerful than smart tagging. Now, let's move to settings. Here, you can manage your workspace, clients, team, white labeling, subscriptions, integrations, watch tutorials, and contact support. Let's dive deeper into two key features: manage clients and white label. Manage clients. Adding new clients is a breeze. Just enter the client's name and email, hit the button, and their login details are sent directly to their inbox. Need to update or remove a client? Simply click Edit or Delete. Effortlessly grow your business network with our easy client management system. White label. Custom branding is essential for building authority. That's why we let you replace the GPT Apps Engine dashboard logo with your own, plus customize the Copilot footer branding. You can also add a link to the footer logo, redirecting leads to any page or offer you choose. Simply upload your logo in the recommended dimensions, hit save, and watch your branding come to life. Present GPT Apps and your very own product. You can even create client accounts with their unique branding, giving you complete control. I hope you're as excited about GPT Apps Engine as I am. This demo only scratches the surface of what's possible. With endless creative potential and a seamless user experience, the future of AI apps is here. See you inside the members area, where innovation meets imagination.